To replace the DisplayPort module, if installed on the motherboard, first remove the access panel and the fan duct. Detach the two Phillips No. 1 screws securing the module to the motherboard. Pull the module off of the motherboard and out of the unit. There is a connector on the DisplayPort module that fits into a connector on the motherboard. To replace the module, press the connector edge of the DisplayPort module onto the motherboard connector. Secure the DisplayPort module to the motherboard with its two Phillips No. 1 screws.